¿Cómo estás?
Go.
We're,
Privyet.
hi. Lahat hi
Dito
lang.
po kami sa crime scene ngayon.
Sleep.
Mag-i-investigate po kami ng
As we get
crime
sleep.
scene. Wala bang gago. Kailangan mag-investigate tayo ng kung ano dito. Ah, hi tayo, hi.
Nasaan ka ba?
Medium.
Nasaan ka?
Medium. Hi
Nakahi
tayo.
ako eh. Nakahi.
Wait lang. Yung sa graphics, naka-hi din. You're high. Are you high? Are you? Skip.
Okay, okay.
Ano
Gets,
to?
gets, gets.
Fact known to the United States Bureau of Expertise. The fuck is that? Who the fuck are you? Wait, may record ko. Nakalimutan ko. Exhibit 4 belongs to Paul Mike. Exhibit 4, blah, blah.
Dito tayo sa...
Close. How am I gonna close this?
Ano
Bruh.
tayo? 21 tayo.
I write down your notes. R. Wait lang, paano yan to? I-close.
Ito, ano to? To Claire
Ayun,
Adams. 123 Oak Street. Anita.
Lumunok siya, oh.
Place. So, na-receive niya. Was received kasi nandito eh.
Dito may number 4 dito. There's a... Ito. Username, Paul Mike. San Diego. Ito may motel.
Spike na dito sa
Paano to i-X?
So, meron.
Excuse me. Wala naman sigurong... Dapat magkasama pa tayo dito. Look at this.
Wow,
What are you doing? What is bro doing? Vlog ba ako? Ayun, hindi na.
Hindi mo yung ano ilaw. Oh,
Wait. Ano daw yun? Nagpapaano naman to?
Basahin mo may letter.
Wait lang.
So, yun.
Saan letter?
Ito.
Ito.
Napakan mo
I hope this letter finds you well. Despite the difficult circumstances we find ourselves in, there's something I need to share with you. Something I recently discovered that has completely changed the situation we're in. I found a letter written by Anne's mom in which he advised her to live with her. I cannot deny that there has been betrayal, but now I am faced with a new perspective that affects all of my decisions. At this moment, I am deeply shaken and confused by this revelation. Anne has also learned about her secret meetings. And the situation has become even more complex. She is considering the possibility of living with her mother. And I am stunned because I did not expect our relationship to end so abruptly. It is clear to me that I can no longer continue our encounters. Gagi, may mistress. May mistress, boy. Wait lang, kailangan natin i-highlight dito. I found unwritten. Ito. May the fuck? Angel. Hindi bang kayo? May kutsilyo dito. Then what? May calendar. Uy, uy, uy! Uy, uy, uy! Calendar. Pulse meeting company get with consider. Monthly. What is this? Gago. Bote. As we can see, alcoholic siguro yung nanay ko. May statue. Nice statue. They have a dog. Clueless tayo dito. Ang puta. Uy, 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 uy. May Polaroid. May Polaroid. May Polaroid. There's a Polaroid here.
Meeting sila.
What?
Secret meeting.
Nasaan ka?
Sa bedroom. May secret meeting sila. So, magalit
Confirm.
si Paul.
Claire, Daniel, Robert, John, Olivia. G. Ay, wait. Kailangan pala natin i-report din. Kailangan pala. Ito may ano.
What you saw.
Ito yung ano. Yung letter na sinasabi sa kitchen. Dear Anne.
Okay.
Galing kay John. This is John, and I am extremely disappointed with you. It has been over a year since you borrowed money from me, and it seems like you have conveniently forgotten about it. I cannot overlook this blatant disregard for your obligation to repay what you owe. I expect immediate action from you to rectify this situation. Ignore my message, and avoiding your responsibility will not be tolerated any longer. Gagi, sino kayo pumatay sa kanya? Sino ba kasi namatay? Di nga rin natin alam. So din may ano, ang dami. Hala! To mama ni Anne. I hope this message finds you well. There is something important I want to discuss with you, and I hope you can take some time to consider it. It comes from a place of concern and love as your mother. Recently, I came to know about the unfortunate incident involving Paul and your sister. I am deeply saddened by the betrayal you have experienced, and it breaks my heart to see you go through such pain. As your mother, it is my duty to support you and ensure your well-being. Know that I will always be here for you regardless of your decision. Your happiness and well-being are my top
Si
priorities.
ano, si Krish.
Take your time to reflect on. Sino?
Hindi, si Krish yung ano niya. Yung...
Kumatay?
Hindi, sister na ano, Krish.
Squish.
So,
Ito may San Diego Hotel kasi oh.
Krish.
Si Claire Adams. Ito yung mistress. Wait. Ano yung surname? Nagmotel si Paul, Mike, and Claire Adams.
Wala eh,
The
mali
fuck?
ako eh. Si Daniel.
What's up?
Si Krish. Ooh. Yes, Paul.
Ito yung Polaroid. Pero ito yung Polaroid oh. Nakita mo na yung Polaroid?
Oo. Si Krish yun. Sino yun?
Nakita mo na yung Polaroid?
Oo nga.
Have you seen the Polaroid?
Oo. Dalawa na lang eh.
Then
Kailangan
highlight.
natin ano, who was sitting in chair 1 tapos who is Anne's sister.
Oh my god, I love you. So sad. What the frick?
Si John.
What is brother? Si John yung tatay niya ba yun? Ito pa may isa pa sa bathroom. I can invite you, Chris. Paul doesn't
Okay.
want your presence
si
of
John.
yours.
Si ano, Anne's sister.
So, wait, sino si Chris? Yung sister niya? Wala, may ilaw oh. Ano yung pinto?
Ito. Daniel Robert. John. Sino ko po yun? Robert.
Please ako what you saw at that.
Si Robert. Ano si Robert? Diba hindi? Sorry.
Pwede pala mag ano?
Diba hindi?
What you saw. Pwede pala mag-zoom?
Oo.
Lumiit na naman ako. Ay, nakaka-crouch. Oh, money. Money ka.
Hindi. Sino ba yun? Si Daniel? Hindi.
Who is this guy, Daniel? Sino si Daniel?
Yung ano? Yung sa G. Ito si John.
Dalawa. Wait.
Yung si Robert. Si Robert siguro.
Bogo naman. Uy!
Oo.
Ito may ano.
Si Robert.
Hala. Contract agreement. Nathan Miller and Ann Adams. May nakita ko sa ilalim.
Nakita mo?
Nakita mo na to? Hey. Where is bro? Come here. Hoy, dito ang likod. Nagbubunwok.
Oh. Okay, gets.
Dito oh.
Oo nga,
Sa
nakita ko-
room.
Nakita ko na ito.
Crouch ka. Nakita mo na yan?
Oo.
Okay.
Ayun, si Claire.
Merong ano sa rep.
Si Claire.
Visit ka, pwede pala buksan yung ilaw.
Si Claire.
Si Claire. Yun nga eh.
O, diba?
Who
Tapos
killed
na,
Anne? Ah, okay.
All answers are correct. Good job. Tamis ka.
Sino nagpatay kay Anne? Si Claire?
Hindi. Si Paul. Una si Paul.
Paul.
Second na answer si Robert. Ang pangatlo si Anne. Pang-apat si Claire. Tapos pang-lima si ano ulit? Wait, rejoin niya ako.
Pwede lang. Weapon used in crime. Knife.
Oh,
Who
knife.
owe you money? Who owed money?
Si Anne.
Si Anne. Sino yung ano? Sitting in chair 1?
Si Robert.
Si John?
Si Robert.
Robert?
Oo, si Robert.
Robert?
Kasi
Robert?
siya lang may coke eh. Oo, si Robert. Kasi
Robert.
siya lang yung may coke eh.
There are 5 wrong answer. 5 wrong answer. Gago to ha.
Gago, patignan. Diba?
Paul naman nilagay ko ha.
Coke? Ha?
Paul Miller.
Ang bubo mo, Paul ah.
Who killed Anne? Sino nagpatay kay Anne?
Si wait lang. Si Paul nga, di ba si Paul? Ay, hindi si Paul.
Okay.
Si Krish. Si Krish.
Krish, anong pangalan mo?
Krish lang.
Ate niya yun, di ba? Ate niya yun, di ba?
Hindi,
Kala ko ate.
Ate niya si Claire.
Betray. Alam nga. Okay.
Ate niya si Claire because this, nakita mo sa kontrata si Claire. Ano si Claire? Claire Adams.
Where are you?
Hindi, Claire lang. Ito na yung huwag mo na yung full name. Tapos makikita
Si
mo
Claire yung ate niya.
Oo. Who owed money? Si Ann yung nag-owe. Who was Ann's sister? Si Claire.
Hmm?
Knife. Tapos si Robert.
Ang inang yun. 5 wrong answer.
Paano 5 wrong? Patingnan niya. Putang ina.
Ewan ko sa kanya.
Putang ina, share mo nga ang screen mo.
5 wrong answer daw. Tinype ko naman. Hindi na tuloy. Ayaw mo. Tignan.
Tingnan mo sa akin. Ito.
Tingin.
Ano nakikita mo? Ito, yan. Who killed si Krish?
Krish. Robert. Tapos.
Si Claire.
Claire. Knife. Ayan nga yung ako eh. Sa akin 5. Hindi na pwede ulitin to. Bago.
Hindi, pwede yun. Yun o, tignan. All answers are correct.
Bawal ba nakaka-all caps?
Hindi ko kung ba't mga kasing naka-all caps.
Yan.
Mabay na. Mabay din. Ang easy naman. Napaka-easy.